Hello, my friends. Stephanie Bernard at The Stamps of Life, and it is time for another episode of a 30-second card in 5 minutes. Now, if you're new to these, you need to go watch the very first one, and I am honestly to tell you, that video is at least 14 years old. So you have to go watch that video first if you're new to these. If you're not new to the segments of the 30-second card, then sit back, relax, and watch the crazy happen, because that's what it is. It's just crazy. Now, why do we do this? Because years ago, 14 years ago, I told Ken I could make a card in 30 seconds. And he said, okay, well, let's time you on camera. I said, great, let's do it. I'll prove it. And he timed me, and yeah, it didn't work out exactly like I thought. So you have to go watch that video. Every once in a while when I'm bored and I need a laugh, I go watch it because it is funny. Now, today's video, I'm going to use some items from our recent card kit because I just finished that video and I have a whole bunch of the pieces still here. So I have lots of the card stock, I have the dies. I don't think I'm going to use that die, but I have the paper pad. Paper pads are perfect for fast cards because they have some of the pieces already die cut. Yes, that makes life easier. I have my die cut machine ready to go with some cutting pads. And I am planning on using our newest shape at the Stamps of Life. It's the graceful shape, and this is the graceful shape in a flip it. So I'm going to be using this die set. Hang on, I gotta take a breath. Okay, Ken, are you ready with your timer? He is. He uses 2 timers in case one fails, because you know I'm not going to do this again. I have all my stuff kind of ready. I have a block just in case. I have my paper pad. I have some stickers. We don't know. I don't know. You don't know. We don't know. Ken, on your marks, get set, start the time. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to grab that card base because we know that's the most important one. It's the biggest one in the kit of that graceful die, and we're going to lay this down. Now, with a flip it, my friends, yes, you can do it in a 6-inch machine. So those of you that have a 6-inch machine, yes, you can do flip its in a 6-inch machine. So we're going to take that. We have this die cut. I'm not going to bother about putting things away. I have this die cut. Boom. Ready? Now we're going to take those layering dies, and I need some pattern paper. So let's grab our pattern paper, and let's see. Oh, I like the dots. I like I like those trees. I really like those trees. We're going to use the mini trees. Boom. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the layering dies. 1, 2, and look at this, you guys. I might have room. I don't think I'm going to have room for that little piece right there. I'm not, but that's okay. We're going to lay this down. I'm going to try to lay these down a little according to the trees because I don't want my trees to be crooked, right? And we are going to run those through, but I'm not making it a speed bump. The dies are still at an angle. So we're going to run that through. There we go. And we're going to pop these out. So I have layering die here, dies over there, trash down there. And now we need to add these to our card. So let's add these to the card really quick. Oh, that's a cute pattern though too, huh? I'm covering up that cute pattern. There we go. There's 1. So I did all the measuring for you. You don't need to worry. No extra cutting or anything needed. Just die cut it. And there is 2. Now we're going to fold this. We always want to hold it up in the air when we fold it. And we're going to have a big bottom closest to my tummy, little top. We're going to fold it in half towards us so the 2 corners line up with the other 2. And then we're going to fold that up and then turn it to the left. Little side's always on the left. There we go. So now we get to decorate. And I'm really thinking I want to use this die right there, but I'm going to do this in 2 different colors. So I'm going to grab some white and I'm going to die cut this twice. So because I need 2 pieces of it. So I'm going to fold my paper in half. I'm going to lay that down and I'm going to die cut. Now, normally I would have used scratch paper for this, scratch cardstock or, you know, out of my scraps, but I don't have time today. So we're going to run that through. So now I have 2 pieces of this, and I think I might use both. So what we're going to do first is we're going to add this on the front, just like that. Look at that, perfectly lines up. Then I'm going to get my paper pad, and I have some of this. Ooh, I might do that. Let's see. Okay, you know what? let's do the little fox. Let's grab that little fox. So I'm gonna have, here's my fox die, I think, yes. And we're gonna grab some masking tape because we need to make sure that stays down, right? And, oh gosh, I'm talking too much. I can talk and work though, so that's the deal. So we're gonna line this up, get that lined up as best we can, even though we're in a hurry. Line that up, and I'm gonna run that through, just like that. And I'm gonna go that way, and to make it faster, I'm just gonna go back, because that's faster. And boom, there, and we have this cute little guy right there. He is gonna be right there. Look how cute he is. He's actually gonna go like in the air. It looks like he's jumping. So we need something on the front here, and I'm thinking a stamp, and I'm gonna have it say warm right there up at the top. Now, I need to get some blue ink. Oh, I have Pacific right here. Now, Pacific is kind of messy. This one got spilled a little, so we need to be careful with that one. We're gonna grab this, and this says warm. So we're gonna open this up, check our fingers, stamp. We wanna stamp on scratch first to make sure it's good. Yay, it's good. We're gonna stamp right here at the very, very top. Right there, warm. And this little guy is gonna go right below that. Perfect, 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 perfect. Okay, so we're gonna lay that down right there. So he's like literally jumping. So it's saying warm, and then on the inside, I want it to say birthday wishes. Where are my stamps? Uh-oh, I just lost some stamps. Oh, here they are. Whew. Okay, well, birthday wishes might not fit on that little piece. So we're gonna say warm wishes. There we go, warm wishes. So we are going to grab this one, switch that one out. It's gonna say wishes. Again, we're gonna stamp on scratch just to make sure we don't mess up anything. Perfect, stamp on right there, and we're gonna stamp right there, wishes, just like that. So that's gonna go on the inside right here. But I'm kind of thinking I still need a little something, something there. So I'm almost thinking, watch this, you guys. I'm gonna just be a little tricky, and I'm just gonna use part of this bunny. And I'm going to ink this up, stamp on scratch just to make sure, good. Ink this up, and I'm gonna put some scratch under me, some scrap, and I'm going to stamp just a little bit of this guy. Just like that. So a little bit off the paper. So he's just like kind of like a little piece of him. Isn't that cute? And then we're gonna add this. Okay, we're gonna add that. Look how cute that is. It's just a little piece of him showing. Oh, gotta line that up better. There we go. So, oh, that's really crooked now. Oh, that's what happens when I try to go fast. There we go. Warm wishes. And then on the back, of course, we need to add our stamp that says we made it. So let's grab one of those. Ken, you better be getting ready. I think I might have to add one more thing, but hang on. Okay, this card is made with Serious Crafting Skills by Stephanie. Almost done, because I need to add an embellishment because it's not finished until it has an embellishment. So we are going to, we're going to add some diamonds. So here's some diamonds. 1, these are kind of like mini snowflakes, right? 2, and we're gonna do 1 right there. 3, just to make, oh, that one looks funny there. Let's move this, move it right there. Warm, and then open that up, and we're just gonna do 1 on the inside. Stop. Okay, let's clean that ink pad up. Okay, I gotta clean that one. Now, make sure my hands are clean. Look at how cute this is, you guys. Look at how cute this is. Ready? So it says warm, open it up, wishes. Now I can add, I could have made this a hidden panel if I wanted to write a lot, or I could just write it on the back right here, write a little message, warm wishes. Isn't that adorable with those cute little, they do look like falling snow, don't they? Those little rhinestones. And then on the back it says, this card is handmade with Serious Crafting Skills by Stephanie. Personalized stamp from the website. Okay, Ken, what is the good news about how good I did on that card? Oh, really? I really thought I was, oh man, bummer. I thought it was gonna be better than that. Well, 6 minutes, 22 seconds. I thought I was gonna be under 5. I mean, I thought it was gonna be 5. I thought it was gonna be 5 minutes. I really thought it was gonna be 5 minutes. But We got a flip it involved here. Those are really fun and easy, right? But look at that. And I got a lot of stamping. I stamped 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Hello. And I did a lot of die cutting. So not too bad. So thank you for enjoying, or hopefully you enjoyed. I don't know if you did or not. But thank you for watching this episode of I almost said Stephanie's Crafting Corner. Thank you for watching this episode of a 30-second card in 6 minutes and 22 seconds. I will see you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.
So Holly says that she wants to know where she can find her a better guy. Well, baby, do you want to know? You just try looking through open eyes, because you know you're beautiful. You wear your sunrise out at night. You're like a moon that is always full. You take my bones and make them right. And if you need somebody to lean on, I can be that type of man. And if you want somebody to talk to, baby, you know I'd understand. Oh, I say, cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. I like the things you do to me, babe. You felt my heart, you feel that it's racing. This ain't the time to take it slow. Oh, oh, my indie rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl. Girls every day, and yeah, they move me a million ways, but what's the point if we never know? I'm left with nothing, come on, I'm left with nothing. It doesn't matter if you ain't got money, cause you look good, and there will never be connection without repeated actions, but wish we could have it like that, cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. I like the things you do to me. You felt my heart, you feel that it's racing. This ain't the time to take it slow. My indie rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl. My indie rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl. So Holly says that she wants to know where she can find her a better guy. Well, baby, do you want to know? You just try looking through open eyes, because you know you're beautiful. You wear your sunrise out at night. You're like a moon that is always full. You take my bones and make them right. And if you need somebody to lean on, I can be that type of man. And if you want somebody to talk to, baby, you know I'd understand. Oh, I say, cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. I like the things you do to me, babe. You felt my heart, you feel that it's racing. This ain't the time to take it slow. Oh, oh, my indie rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl. My indie rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl. I see 100 girls every day, and yeah, they move me a million ways, but what's the point if we never know? I'm left with nothing, come on, I'm left with nothing. It doesn't matter if you ain't got money, cause you look good, and there will never be connection without repeated actions, but wish we could have it like that, cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. I like the things you do to me. You felt my heart, you feel that it's racing. This ain't the time to take it slow. My indie rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl. My indie rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl.
Thank you so much for watching. Now make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube, because you know what? You're gonna love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.